I want you to listen to me very carefully. Being the smartest person in the room is the fastest way to dig your own grave. I learned this the hard way. Let me take you back a few years. I was young, ambitious, and frankly, I had a big ego. I had a manager who was struggling. During a major team meeting, he messed up a crucial fact about our project. Without thinking, I corrected him. Right there, in front of his boss. I corrected his math and I saved the presentation. I walked out of that room feeling like a hero. I thought, the CEO definitely saw that. I'm getting promoted. I was wrong. 2 weeks later, I was frozen out of projects. A month later, I was let go. I didn't get fired because I was bad at my job. I got fired because of law number 1. Never outshine the master. Robert Greene teaches us that those in power have fragile egos. When you show off your talents to impress them, you don't gain their respect. You inspire fear and insecurity. And a master who feels insecure will destroy you to protect their position. It's not fair. But the real world isn't about fairness, it's about power. So, if you are talented, good. Keep it to yourself. Make your masters appear more brilliant than they actually are. Put your ego aside. Play the long game. Smart people try to look smart. Wise people know when to play dumb.